Welcome to this Windows channel, and I am actually doing a little experiment and actually sharing this information. If you are a Google Chrome user and you are a Facebook user also, there's a new extension called Data Selfie in the extensions that you can add to Chrome. So it adds that little icon on the upper right here, Data Selfie. So what it does, it analyzes your Facebook feed. So all the interactions, the way that you actually interact with people and everything that's happening. And after a certain time, what it will do is actually give you a report that kind of looks like this. Mine is not done yet because it's like there's not enough data and everything. The database is empty right now. But it will give you an idea of what kind of Facebook user you are, but also, which is interesting and maybe even more interesting than just knowing a little bit more about yourself, which you might already know anyways, it actually also will give you all the details of everything that is collected and analyzed by Facebook for your own Facebook page. So, sometimes we wonder, Facebook knows what exactly on us? Well, this will give you a more precise idea of pretty much everything, and even the scary parts of what Facebook actually knows about you when you use Facebook every day. So Data Selfie, it's available in the Chrome extensions. You just add it to your Chrome browser, and every time you go on Facebook, you'll see that it actually, just a word of warning, it slows down Facebook slightly. I've noticed that since Data Selfie is there, my Facebook feed and when I scroll through is a little slower, but it's because it's actually analyzing every post that you have actually done and the interaction with everybody basically. So check it out, and I'll be, of course, posting a updated video next week when I get a little more data and more information from this extension. So Data Selfie, available for the Chrome extensions, just added, it's free. And you might be surprised what Facebook will know about you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.